At the prestigious India 2030 Leadership Conclave 2026, Avneet Kaur makes a striking impression on the red carpet with a glam appeal that blends youthful charm with evolving sophistication. As she steps into the spotlight, there's an immediate sense of freshness in her presence, and effortless confidence paired with a poised demeanor that reflects her growth from a young star to a refined public figure. The flashing cameras, elegant backdrop, and elite gathering create a high-profile atmosphere, and Avneet rises to the occasion with remarkable ease. Her outfit plays a key role in shaping her red carpet impact. Styled in a contemporary ensemble that balances trend-forward design with subtle elegance, she embraces a look that feels both modern and event-appropriate. Whether through sleek tailoring, floral silhouettes, or carefully chosen embellishments, her attire highlights her youthful energy while maintaining a polished finish. The color palette complements her radiant complexion, allowing her natural glow to stand out under the bright event lighting. Her beauty styling further enhances this appeal. With luminous, dewy makeup that accentuates her features, softly defined eyes, and a balanced lip tone, Avneet presents a fresh and camera-ready look. Her hairstyle, neatly styled with soft waves or a clean, sleek finish, frames her face beautifully, adding to the overall refinement of her appearance. Each close-up captures her expressive eyes and confident smile, giving her a strong visual presence in photographs and videos alike. What truly sets Avneet Kaur apart on this red carpet is her composure and awareness of the moment. She carries herself with a calm assurance, walking with measured steps and maintaining an upright posture that reflects confidence without arrogance. Her expressions are natural yet controlled. She knows when to smile, when to hold a pose, and how to engage with the cameras in a way that feels effortless. This balance between spontaneity and control gives her a professional edge that elevates her overall appeal. Her interaction with the media and photographers adds another layer to her charm. She acknowledges attention with warmth and grace, offering subtle gestures and poised reactions that make her approachable while still maintaining her star aura. There's a sense of authenticity in her demeanor. She doesn't appear overly rehearsed, yet she remains polished and composed throughout. The event setting itself, with its refined decor, influential attendees, and sophisticated ambience, amplifies her glam factor, but Avneet ensures she remains a focal point through her confident presence. She doesn't rely on extravagant styling alone. Instead, she combines elegance, personality, and a growing sense of individuality to create a memorable impression. Ultimately, Avneet Kaur's appeal at the India 2030 Leadership Conclave 2026 lies in her ability to represent a new generation of style icons, young, confident, and effortlessly glamorous. She bridges the gap between youthful vibrance and mature elegance, showcasing a presence that is both refreshing and refined. Through her poised walk, polished styling, and natural charisma, she leaves a lasting mark on the red carpet, proving that true glam appeal comes from confidence, authenticity, and the ability to shine in any spotlight.